Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're talking about the map function. In the last video, we briefly mentioned when you would use filter or when would you use generator comprehensions. And so I wanted just to quickly say that you'll use filter when you are programming with people who haven't been programming in Python for very long, for example, programmers from other programming languages, or just when your project involves multiple programming languages. Python is one of the few programming languages that has syntax like this. So if you're working with many programming languages, maybe it makes sense to use the filter function and that way keep everything consistent. Use the filter function throughout all the languages you use. Also, you'll use the filter function if you have a function already defined and you don't have to create one. That way it can be a bit faster. Finally, there's also something to say for this variable that we're creating here in this comprehension. This variable is pretty pointless, so there's something to be said for not creating this variable here. It's up to you which one you go for, but the main way of deciding, I would say, is whether you're programming with other people who like filter function instead of comprehensions. If you're only programming with Python developers, use comprehensions, and if they don't like it, get them to like it, for it will generally be better. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's talk about the map function. The map function is used to take an iterable and output a new iterable, where each element has been modified according to some function. Let's take, for example, this map here. Friends lower is going to map lambda x lower of friends. Again, very similar to the filter function. It also takes a function at the start that returns something and